What if I told you that some fighter jets can strike targets before they're even detected? These incredible machines represent the peak of modern military technology, combining stealth, speed, and devastating firepower. In today's video, we're counting down the top 9 most powerful fighter jets in the world. Let's get started. One F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 Lightning II in the 2000s and 10s. It features cutting-edge sensors, data sharing, and electronic warfare systems. It acts like a flying computer, connecting with other aircraft in real time. It can perform many missions, making it extremely versatile. Its cost ranges between $80 and $110 million. 2 F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor, introduced in 2005, is one of the most powerful air superiority fighters ever built. It combines stealth, speed above Mach 2, and advanced targeting systems. It can engage multiple enemies while remaining nearly invisible to radar. Its estimated cost is around $150 million. 3 Sukhoi Su-57. The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's first stealth fighter, introduced around 2020. It combines stealth, speed, and advanced systems. It can fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners and includes AI-assisted combat features. Designed for both air and ground missions, it costs about $50 million. 4 F/A-18 Super Hornet. The F/A-18 Super Hornet has served since 1999 as a key aircraft for the U.S. Navy. It operates from aircraft carriers and handles multiple missions, including combat and ground attacks. With a speed of Mach 1.8, it is highly reliable and versatile. Its estimated cost is around $70 million. 5 Sukhoi Su-35. The Sukhoi Su-35, introduced around 2014, is known for its extreme maneuverability. Thanks to thrust vectoring engines, it can perform advanced aerial moves. It reaches speeds of about Mach 2.25 and carries powerful weapons. Its radar detects targets at long distances. The estimated cost is about $85 million. 6 F-15EX Eagle II. The F-15EX Eagle II is a modern upgrade of the classic F-15, introduced in the 2020s. It focuses on power and payload rather than stealth. It can exceed Mach 2.5 and carry a large number of missiles. With modern radar and digital systems, it delivers strong performance. Its estimated cost is around $90 million. 7 Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon entered service in 2003 and is known for its agility and air combat performance. With a top speed of Mach 2, it excels in dogfights. It features advanced radar and avionics systems that allow tracking multiple targets. The Typhoon remains one of the most capable air superiority fighters, costing about $120 million. 8 Dassault Rafale. The Dassault Rafale is a versatile multi-role fighter from France, introduced in 2001. It can handle air combat, ground attacks, and reconnaissance missions with ease. Flying at speeds up to Mach 1.8, it features advanced electronic warfare systems. It can operate from land and aircraft carriers, making it highly adaptable. Its estimated cost is around $100 million. 9. Chengdu J-20. The Chengdu J-20 is China's most advanced stealth fighter, introduced around 2017. Designed to compete with Western fifth-generation jets, it focuses on stealth and long-range combat. It can reach speeds of about Mach 2 and is equipped with advanced radar and long-range missiles. Its internal weapon bays and sleek design reduce radar detection significantly. The estimated cost is around $120 million. And there you have it, the top 9 most powerful fighter jets in the world. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.